What up, people? Man, I'm coming to you with another unboxing. But before I even get into it, hot day, was thinking all day about getting home and jumping in that pool. But I also knew I had something in the mailbox waiting for me. Came home at lunchtime, grabbed it, threw it in the refrigerator just to make sure nothing would melt. But just really, it's so hot outside today, working out in the bucket truck, man, just wanted to get in the pool. So I got in the pool, had a couple cold beers, and I've gotten out and dried off. And I have absolutely nothing in my beard. So I am really looking forward to getting something, whatever I'm unboxing, in my beard. But first, to my homies. Man, not too many things work off a terrible hot work day than a cold beer. Anyhow, so we've got something to unbox from Honyocker Beard Company. Really stoked. Really stoked about this. So I ordered a couple things. I'll just go ahead and open the bag and let you know what I got. I don't even think we're gonna need a knife for this. It's been real rough on unboxings lately. I know I've said it a couple times before, but my wife is on this budget. We've got a couple trips planned that we've got to go see our son when he graduates from basic and AIT. So a couple trips to South Carolina that are going to be about a week long each. So we are in like mega save money mode. Anyhow, trying to save money for that. She's got me on a budget. Trim me back on lunches. Trim me back on beard products. It's friggin' killing me. But whatever, is what it is. I call her the budget Nazi, and that's the damn truth. So anyhow, let me informally get into what I got. Let's see what we got. All right, so we got an oil. We got a lot of stuff. Let's just pull this out. All right. So if you don't know anything about Honyocker, you probably should. Honyocker is owned and operated by the Hahn family. Adam, his family, I think his wife's involved in some way, shape, or form. Super nice guy. Before I even get into anything about the products that I picked up, so in our community, there are a lot of people that are just really great people. But above the one that shines above all of them to me happens to be Adam Hahn from Honyocker. Dude, so positive, such a good, solid dude. Never has anything bad to say. Just always upbeat, positive, doing good things. And he's got some really awesome products. So, Adam, thank you for that, dude. I really do appreciate it. So, let me bust out what I got in this package. So this is apparently, hey, he didn't have no plain Jane receipt. It shows me pictures of what I ordered. It's kind of nice. That's all right. I'll take that. So we've got a couple things. Let's see what we got. We got a little bag. Oh, we got a little handwritten note. Let me read that to you. Rob, thanks, man. Your order means a lot to me, and I respect you a lot, buddy. I hope these please your sniffer and your beard. You rock, Adam. Thank you, Adam. I appreciate that. And his business card, Adam Hahn, Honyocker Beard Co. Very nice. Hey, a sticker that I've not seen before. That's going on my mirror. That's very nice. That's kind of dope. Appreciate that. All right, now let's get into what I actually ordered. So I ordered Striptease and Humidor, and I've smelled them both briefly. So it's not a first impression, but it's been a while, so it's a second impression. And now these are mine and not somebody else's that I'm smelling. Well, looks like we're starting with Striptease. So really like his green bottles. Love his logo. Love everything about what this company's doing and what the owner's doing for us as a community. So Striptease is supposed to be a bunch of berries. Let's just suffice it to say it's a bunch of berries. Let me see if it's what I remember it to be. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a solid. That's a really solid scent. Let me get just a little bit in hand. Just a little. I'm forcing myself to screw these tops on now every time because I've had a couple men down. Man, that is so nice and fresh and clean. Fruity, but not overly fruity, not ridiculously fruity. Oh, it smells really, really nice. Very, very nice. So, with that, I think I may be missing something. Let me see. So, let me find out. Let me find out. The bag is empty. Nope, I'm not missing nothing. Whew, that would have been terrible. That would have been terrible. All right, so we got the Striptease butter. I believe that's the butter. I'm not sure, but I have to touch it to find out. Yep, that's the butter. So I've not done this. I've not done this yet. I just touched it, but let's see what it does. Oh yeah. So my beard is dry as a bone right now, and I can't wait to get this in. The scent is equally, right there, equally as far as strength to the oil. So I got to figure out what I'm going to put in. So we've got Striptease oil and butter. I don't remember what else I got. I think I got the Striptease balm. Yep, I did get the Striptease balm. There's that Striptease balm. I'd read the back to you, but ain't no way I can read that mess. I could probably read it through the camera. But my peepers are terrible. The balm and scent is a little bit lighter, but man, just a great, clean, fresh, fruity scent, but not like fruit, ridiculous inside of an orange, inside of a pear or whatever he's got in here. It's like a mild little fruity scent. Let's see what we got. Can you see it? No, you can't. Oh, that's a good stiff medium. I've got Avenue Blue as well that I'd gotten previously and really, really like that. I got that in balm and oil, and I also have the Elder, which is probably one of the more original, of almost all the scents that I have. The Elder is ridiculous. It smells like incense. It's just crazy. And Avenue Blue is at barbershop, but it ain't no regular barbershop. It's something different. But anyhow, check them out. Find a review on it. Watch that review. See if you want to check them out. So Honyocker's not just doing it regular. He is up there with the guys that are doing their own thing. Just nothing simple, nothing easy, no 2 ingredients. Really, really doing stuff good. Let me get into the humidor. Man, I've been waiting for this stuff. Is that camera going to focus? Are you? There you go. Got the humidor. And this is that cigar blend. I think it's got vanilla and something else in it. I can't wait to smell this again. It's been a while since I've smelled this one. Oh, every bit as good as I remember. Every bit as good as I remember. Let me get a little bit out in hand. That is a great, like a vanilla. It's almost like a warm vanilla. Like a cross between, sorry for the traffic, a cross between like the warm vanilla sugar, I think that one of those girly stores carries, and a cigar. Bless. It smells like a fresh cigar. I've not ever warmed this one up in my hand. It smells great out of the bottle, but as soon as you warm it up, damn it, it smells like you just walked into a humidor with that sweet, sweet tobacco and like a warm vanilla sugar type scent. Yeah, I think that this is going to be what's going in my beard. And we also have the butter. We showed you the consistency of the butter. Let me smell it and see if it's on par. Oh yeah, it might be a little bit weaker than the oil. But that scent is something I'm going to really, really enjoy. So anyway, I just wanted to share my stuff with you. No ad for the company. It's just been a while since I've done an unboxing. I love this stuff. I love the products. I love trying new things. I wish I had more. If it was up to me, I'd be buying something every week just to be trying it, and I would have it all. My beard product Nazi, my budget Nazi, and there's not going to allow that to happen. But in the interim, I'm getting treated to really great stuff like this, and I truly do appreciate it. It makes me happy, and it's hard to find something that makes you happy these days. So I really appreciate it. Adam, you're kicking ass, bro. I really appreciate your products. I appreciate who you are, what you do, your demeanor. I appreciate everything you're doing, brother. I thank you for sending this package to me. Money well spent. Thank you so much. I'm probably going to be back for some more. I need to hit that website and see what else you got, but that butter feels right, and it's about to go in here in just a minute. Anyhow, that's all I got. Y'all boys take care of your beards now. Have a great one.